Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be starting our second laser engraving project where we get a 2x2 space and get to interact with some more options that we have. So far we've laser engraved a pencil and we've understand that the color black turns the laser on and the color white turns it off. Now we're going to do this. In this assignment, you're going to learn a little bit more about Adobe Illustrator and the capabilities of the laser. You are going to raster engrave using the color black and vector cut using the color red set to a 0.072 points or 0.001 inches. The template file below has a couple of shapes set up for you to drag and drop. So how we're going to get this thing started is we are going to come in and we're going to select project template project template file. Once you select this, the next thing we get to do is we need to come over to the side and download it. When we download, we are going to end up having some things that work similar, some things will be a little different than we have in this video. So please pay attention and watch. So the download button is right here. Everybody sees where that is. We select it. My computer goes into this spot where it asks me, where do I want to put this file? If this happens to you, we want to go and we want to put this thing right in our documents. All right? We're not going to worry about naming that file yet. We're just going to hit save. Now, if you are not getting that pop-up, don't worry. Yours is downloading. It's just a little different. It might be actually mine just showed up. So over here in the upper right-hand corner, you can see the download icon next to our picture. And that download icon, if I select it, I'm able to see the project that I just downloaded. With that being said, what I want to do to get this started is I want to open it up by hitting the open button. If you already had Adobe Illustrator open up, it'd go pretty quickly, but now I just push that button and it takes a little while to load. So what I'm going to do right now is just pause this until it's done loading, and I'm going to start the video again when we're back in. Okay, now we're back. Just explaining a few things before we get going here. Reminder that if we have not already, which we hopefully, this is not the situation, but if we don't see this bar up on top, that's very important. It's turned on by a thing called the window menu and control. There should be a check mark next to that, and then you will see these things. Other things to make note of is if your toolbar is still single, make sure you hit the double little arrow there to make it doubled up, because in all my videos, this is the way I have it, and it's just easy to have this thing kind of matching up as best as possible. Now, with that being said, the first thing that we want to do here, before I even explain what's going on in this document, is whenever we see untitled, we want to fix that by doing a file save. And honestly, the first save we do will be more like a save as, but we're going to hit save right now. And it will ask you, hey, where do you want to go? And it's hard to see my screen inside. I'm kind of move my big old pop-up over there. But we don't want to put it on the cloud. We actually want to save it to your computer. So this will be specifically saved on the computer you're using. So each day you come back, you want to be on the same computer. And when I save it on my computer, I am already in my documents, or I should be in my documents, but it's not there right now. So I'm going to go to Documents. All right? And then with that selection on the left-hand side, you can see it's going to the Documents now, and I want to change this file name to Project 2. And you can see I got a bunch of them showing up right now. And I'm just going to call this Demo. All right? But you just call it Project 2 your name, and that'll be fine. We'll know that it's your 2. All right? Project 2. Hit Save. Now I've saved that to my documents. When you get a little pop-up here that says, what do you want to do? We want to hit OK. Now that we have that going on, we are already in and we've saved our things. I want to explain a little bit about our document. So we have some things that are already pre-created. I'm going to use the selection tool right now to just click and drag to kind of show you what I already have there. All right, now it's showing up in blue. I have a square, a little circle, a oval, a rounded rectangle, a circle, and a star already pre-set up with, a cut line. All right, and I'll explain that cut line shape at the start of the next video. But the one thing I want to do here right away before we, save and then come back to the video again next time is we want to come in here, and I have this preloaded shape. It's a square. The first thing we want to start by doing is selecting that shape with the selection tool and hitting the delete key to get rid of it. The square is my least favorite shape. We can replace it with any of the other shapes that we have over here on the edge, or if you've watched the shape videos that I've made, you can make any of those shapes your cut line too. That's kind of where I want to end this video because it's getting a little long, but that'll get you started. In the next video, we'll talk about these shapes that are already there, how we can edit them or recreate our own, and that's what we'll do next, setting up our cut lines. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Make sure you do a file save after we do that so that it saves our piece. Now it won't ask us where it wants to go because it's already knowing where it's going. It's been saved. Thanks for watching.